Hi guys, I'm going to be braiding my hair myself, and guys, it's night time. I can't sleep. I know I was planning to make this hair tomorrow, but then I can't sleep. I'm wide awake. So I figured like, man, why wait, right? So I decided to just start the process. So I tried to naturally straighten out my hair today. So, yes, so this is how far I can go. My dryer is bad, so I can't blow dry right now, and I hardly find a salon that knows how to properly blow dry natural hair. They just end up cutting your hair like maximum breakage whenever I do it in the salon. So for now, I just avoid salons. So I just look for natural ways, which is the threading, or I weave my hair or cut it like this throughout the day. So at the time I'm ready to make my hair, it's already kind of stretched out, and I do it when my hair is wet because I'm looking for something simple, something that I can easily manipulate. So guys, let me get into cutting this hair.
Flashing lights intertwined. I met you at just the wrong time. Lost in your eyes, question the right thing to do in my mind. It'd be smart to cut it off, to not reply when you wanna talk. Say it's harmless, but I'm warning you, warning you. Pick up your call cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep, in too deep. Can't give you my all cause I know what the all now where it lead, where it lead. I could come over baby, but not to sleep. I'll pick up your call cause I know that I want but so not what I need. Not what I need. Not what I need. Wide awake, so much at stake. Shooting up cause it's getting late. I'm scared I'll say something that may make you think I'm feeling a different way. It'd be great if I was ready, but now it's getting so messy. Said it's honest, but I want you, I want you. I pick up your call cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep, in too deep. Can't give you my all cause I know after all now where it lead, where it lead. I could come over baby, but not to sleep. I'll pick up your call cause you know that I want but so not what I need. Not what I need. Not what I need. Not what I need.
I thought I heard you, but you disappeared. And I know you noticed when you said you're scared. Are you scared of my love? Are you scared of our love? And I know you want me back, but do you know that all of the hurt from my past that you showed? And I know you want me back. I know you want me back.
guys. So it's day 3. I started day 4 yesterday. Then yesterday I had to go to work, so I wore it like this. Yeah. So now I am going to coil it. So guys, this is what I was able to come up with. First of all, let's just say I got tired. Guys, y'all know that this thing is not easy, right? If not, everybody will be making their hair by themselves. I got tired. I finished this hair around 10 midnight the next day, and I barely slept the day that I actually started it, which is why I just went for a simple center part a simple center part slanted, front. I was going for a particular kind of curl, but I'm finding it hard to figure out how that curl is achieved. So I don't want bouncy. I've done bouncy so much, and I know that bouncy curls give your hair volume and all that, but I want a spiral coil, this particular, but right now I can't figure it out. So what I'm gonna do is the one they call mermaid curls, and I don't want it to be fat, so I'm just gonna take a few braids, because if you pick more braids then your curls will be fatter. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So I think I'm gonna just use that. We're gonna braid all the way down. God, I hope I can do this. It's been long. I tried to, curl my braids myself. So guys, I hope I don't burn myself. I really hope so. Then I'm gonna take one of this. Let me go over all of them. Then I will see you when I'm done.
met you at just the wrong time. Lost in your eyes, question the right thing to do in my mind. It'd be smart to cut it off, to not reply when you wanna talk. Say it's harmless, but I'm warning you, warning you. I'll pick up your call cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep, in too deep. Can't give you my all cause I know what to all now, where it lead, where it lead. I could come over baby, but I'm asleep. I'll pick up your call cause I know that I won't hurt, so